I'm Shane.
Mama.
Yep. Shane, who are you?
A baby.
Mm-hmm.
Tracy.
Who's at Miss Tracy's?
Back.
Beckett? Uh-huh. Who else is there?
Baby.
He's a baby, isn't he? Who else is your friend at Miss Tracy's?
Cheese. A pasta. A pasta.
Mmm. Sauce? Are we going to spread it on? What do we need next?
Cheese.
Cheese? Are we going to sprinkle it on? Okay. How does that taste? Yeah? Shane, how do you make pizza? Then what do you do next?
Dog.
Shane, what do you do in the bath?
You splash? What'd you do outside today?
No. It's
Did you
I'm a cook.
Okay.
Cook.
Which is dangerous. That's what you want?
I don't know. Mama,
Uh-huh.
Shane, a dog.
Is that our family? Who's in your family again?
Papa.
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 Who else?
Mama.
Grandma? Can you say Ahsoka?
Cha-cha.
Good try.
Sit. Sit.
Do you want her to sit?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like Buzz better or Woody better?
Everybody. Shane.
I Shane.
Shane.
I Shane.
Dog.
What's her name?
Dog. Dog.
What's your name?
Dog.
What's the dog's name?
Cha-cha.
What do we call this place?
House.
Yeah.
House.
Good job.
Dada. House.
Thomas?
And the bees.
Donald Duck.
Bees.
Donald Duck.
No, it's a bees.
Donald Duck.
A bees. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, too.
What are you drinking, Shane?
Look.
And what else?
Something moved over here. Something laughed over here.
Ah, there he is.
What are we doing tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
I said Betty.
Yeah! Yay! How old are you going to be, Shane?
A two.